Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there was a magical spring. This wasn't an ordinary spring. It sparkled with a special kind of light, and when you drank from it, you could wish for anything you desired. One sunny day, a curious little girl named Lily stumbled upon the spring. She was playing near the hill, searching for colorful flowers to draw later that evening. As she bent down to pick a pretty daisy, she accidentally knocked over a small pebble, which rolled down a hill and landed in the magical spring. Suddenly, the water began to shimmer, and a gentle voice echoed, "A wish has been made. What do you desire, little one?" Lily was surprised and a bit scared, but she gathered her courage and said, "I wish for every flower in the world to bloom, so everyone can enjoy their beauty." The water swirled around her, and before her eyes, the barren ground bloomed with flowers of every color and size. Red roses, yellow sunflowers, blue violets, and even flowers she had never seen before, grew all around her. Lily gasped in amazement as she took in the sight. The village was filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the people came out of their homes to see the miracle. They thanked Lily for bringing their world to life with such a kind wish. From that day on, Lily made it her mission to visit the magical spring whenever she wanted to bring joy to others. She wished for rainbows to appear in the sky, for birds to sing beautiful songs, and for the wind to whisper comforting words. Lily grew older, but she never forgot the magic of the spring. She shared stories of her adventures with the magical spring and taught others the importance of kindness and making wishes for the greater good. And so, the village lived happily ever after, surrounded by the beauty of the flowers that bloomed from a simple wish made by a brave little girl. The end.